Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kev. Today's video we're going to go and have a look at a Farmall H tractor, see if we can get it running. Now I've been given this tractor. It was my late uncle's. Unfortunately he's passed away, and he wanted me to have this one. I mean, it's been sitting for quite a number of years outside under a cover, so it hasn't been started, but it needs to start. We need to get it running to actually move it and get it out from where it's sitting. So luckily he had drained all the water out of it, left all the taps open, covered the exhaust pipe up, so hopefully the engine shouldn't be too bad. I have been down previously, well last week. We took the magneto off of it, managed to get a spark out of that. That didn't need too much. We just cleaned the points up, spun it over a few times. We've got fairly good spark, so hopefully all will be well. We did find that the governor spring is missing, well, broken. The casing, the bolts were all loose in the casing, and there was a spring sitting on top of the casing, a broken one. Now I have sourced another spring, but I don't think it's quite right. It should be enough to hopefully get the tractor running, but whether it's going to be enough to allow me to sort of rev it up before it shuts it down, we don't know. But yeah, we just hopefully should be enough so we can fire it into life. So I mean, I've got to put the magneto back on, check the oil, make sure she's got oil in her. I have got some oil with me. I'm going to have the rocker cover off just to see whether the valves and everything are free. Then we'll see whether we can actually turn the engine over. We couldn't find the starting handle for the engine, so I've had to make one of those. I'd done that one evening last week. Just machined up a boss and bent a bit of solid bar just to make up a starting handle. There's no starter motor on this engine. This is a hand crank job, so hopefully all will be okay. Traffic lights. We love traffic lights and roadworks. I don't know what they're doing here. We're on, Kelvin. We're on. First go. Let's see.
It's up to you, you can go if you want.
Yeah, go on, you fire. You have a go, Kelvin. You have a go.
Okay.
Promising.
That's very promising.
Promising. Oh, we got oil pressure. That's good. We got good oil pressure.
That's right, is it? Right smooth.
We've got no water in though.
Comes off the tube.
off and put some stop it on the mag. Yeah. There we go.
I don't think there's a lot wrong with that, mate.
I don't think there's a lot wrong with it. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's an overflow pipe.
You missed that time, didn't you?
Did I get you? Did I fill your pocket up?
Move!
Something on that wheel's not going. Well, here you get on it and try. I can't we can just give it a push back and it's really. Yeah, that's all it was. It was a hit. That's all it was.
Such a simple design, isn't it? Look at that.
He don't want to go for me, does he?
Time off. You got it! Hey! That does sound sweet. I really do.
Let's see what we should actually move with it, aren't we?
Go on, a bit more. That'll do you. You're out of the hole now.
That's where it's going to sit.